In this video, we will show you how to use RBC Avion points for travel. Access your RBC online banking account. You have to use your username and password to access that. You can register on the RBC website if you don't have an online account. Registration on the website would be for one account. Once you have logged in, navigate to the rewards section of your online banking account. You can view your accumulated Avion points there. Now explore redemption options. Look for the travel redemption option in the reward section. You will be able to use your Avion points to book flights. These points can also be used for car rentals, vacation packages, and many more. To find the best options that suit you, you can use the search tool provided. You can search for flights based on dates and destinations. You can specify your preferences for hotels and car rentals. Once you have found the travel option you want to book, proceed to the checkout and redemption page. You can use your Avion points to pay half or full travel expenses. The number of points required for redemption will vary depending on factors. These factors are the cost of travel booking and any promotion for special offers available. Complete the booking process by following the prompts. You may need to provide some additional details. Those details would be the passenger's personal, payment information, or any relevant information. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a like and subscribe.